What's this called?
What is?
This one.
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee.
Yeah, creme brulee.
You keep saying, ano eh,
Creme
creme brulee. Creme brulee. Kaya kasi kakaloko mo.
Loko mo.
Loko mo.
We're walking to Jay and Chris's house.
I just wanna eat it na.
Me too.
Just take a slice.
So hot.
It is, but it's not that hot kasi medyo clouds today. So tolerable naman. Ganda maglakad pag Sunday talaga.
Our towers.
I miss you, Papa! Where did we leave our
Hello.
Dito na lang sa ilalim.
Hey.
Guys, mga tatlo lang kasi isang sear.
But on to here.
Isa lang.
Uy, grabe yung sikaw!
Parang overpowered yung dalawa eh.
Oh, limang.
Madami naman tayo ngayon.
Limang werewolf.
May labas kayo sa mga upuan sa corner. Marunong
Magi-
kayo mag-werewolf.
Aalamin natin.
Namatay ako nung agad
Namatay ako agad yun.
Sabay tayo namatay.
Okay, final. Okay. Werewolves, close your eyes. Doctor awakens. Yes. Okay, Doctor, close your eyes. Seers awaken. Dito ako seer. Dito ako seer. Okay. Point, what's kung ano yung identity solution? Okay, Seers, close your eyes. The sun rises and the village awakens. The werewolves have killed Jay.
Oh. So tao ka.
So, tao ka? Hindi siya werewolf.
Ay, hindi kayo inil?
Wala nag-deal sa akin.
Si Nia.
Grabe si John ang doctor.
Ha?
Walang hinil si
Hindi ang
Doctor.
doctor sa sarili.
Oh!
Open lahat tayo.
Pero how many players can play yung werewolf at the same time? Isang wing boost.
Bas kahit yung...
Siya, sino yung gusto ka siya?
May pizza pa dito ah.
Lock lang ako.
Yan.
That's good.
Ano yun ha?
Creme brulee.
Uy!
Creme brulee.
Sorry.
Transition! Vlogger to vlogger.
Day in the life.
May bago kami pinapanood ngayon si Rodolph.
Ay, si
Rodolph
Rodolph! Natuwa ako sa kanya.
Jungkook! You know Jungkook?
Yung yan niya. Tuwa ko dun sa pinapanood niya. Nasa niya kayo.
with which they labor under the sun. All their days, their work is grief and pain. Even at night, watch this, even at night,
Nice. Andito na yung mga kalaro. crosswalk. BGC crosswalk. We're gonna rent Uber later. Tambambang. Iyon. Twins.
I like it. I think I'm gonna get it. It's cute, no?
Are we getting medium and large?
I don't know. Do you like it too?
I like it. Can you try the large? Or can I try the medium?
Okay, exchange.
Ay, so sige na. Hey, popsicle.
May snack or chill?
Hi again. Ay, GoPro ka. Hi, Ja.
Birthday! I know. Long time no.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Kakabili lang namin kanina.
Kami ni Jay. Kami lang ni Jay. Para sa kindred sila.
DJI off. Pareho tayong DJI.
Ano different? Ano different?
Option 4.
Yung ano,
It's the brand.
brand.
Oh my God, wala. Oh, thank you guys. Wait.
Happy birthday to
Mahaba na sa tagal.
10 minutes version to here. Sayang pa na natin.
Okay, so,
Thank you.
Thank you, Romeo.
Accelerator. Pag in-accelerate mo to, hindi aandak.
Oh, mayroon ng tutorial na nagaganap dito.
Accelerate ka lang pagka
Alam mo na?
tulak ka ng manual. Ayan, pero ito pa.
Sige, go. Oh, go.
Kaya niya ba go?
Nice.
Kaya mo yan. Try mo.
Wow.
Okay naman ako yun.
Huh? I don't know how to do it.
You just ano?
How about there?
There? Okay.
Tutorial.
Yan. Go, lakasan mo na konti. Wag sobra.
As in, naka-full ako.
Wag i-full, wag i-full. Sige, go. Kailangan mo kasi momentum. Hop. Yay! Be careful. Binatog. Ah, may signal pala. Parang wala. Wala.
Ah!
Ay, ay.
Ito pala yun!
Balik ka na.
Yeah,
Tapos paano siya i-cancel?
wala.
Ko lang.
Yun lang.
Ay, may papapicturean niya sa'yo yung...
Ako, okay siya. Guys. Awkward.
Ay, hindi tayo nagpicture with the school.
Oo nga. Ano ba yan?
Oo,
May
hindi
video
na-
naman.
Okay.
May video naman.
Pa-selfie na lang.
Pasend na lang.
Selfie na lang.
We're gonna eat at High Street Cafe here in Fort. Shangri-La Fort. We're using a table. There are fruits, salads. It's a sushi bar. Always sold out. Sashimi. Roast beef. Korean. Can I have mangatsuman? Thank you. I miss this ball.
Cheers.
Some farm barbecue, roast beef, adobo wings. Favorite. Ihaw.
Parang paninit yan ah.
What do you expect? Shawarma rice.
May I try?
Yeah. Really?
Nilala ko na naman ng tubig.
Oh?
tinanong kung sa iyo ang inumin.
Nagulat ako.
Sinabi ba ito? No.
Hindi, di ba nung dumarating tayo, tinanong nila, anong occasion?
Ang hirap niya i-surprise. Ay, nako. Teka naman, nakakainis ka talaga. Ayan na, oh. Wala na. Talagang alam mo na. Oh. Oo, ka na.
Pwede ba pumasok?
Sinabi ko.
Sa inyo yan, so feeling ko na lang. Sasha, nag-secure. May kalabang na. Wala pa yung
Sino yung balon sa
Oo. Sabi niya kasi sa akin, sabi mo sa kanila hipan na nila yung balloons. Okay, dali. Ready? Go.
Oh, di ba hindi mo nang kaya?